by setting up a timeline. So, it's like causing nuisance or something like that. I won't put it that way, but whether you protest or not, Finland will do whatever they want to do. Up to Droga KC Nandekano Bona Abia today, a postpone to tomorrow. Abia one nation, a postpone to the next day. They only just give a timeline. So I believe that whether the protest goes on or anybody the suggestion is quite nice, but I'm saying that it's not whether we do it or it's not. I don't think it's actually necessary, but it can be done. But the point there is that now it's necessary. Remember, PM said, "I will go, but I will come back and I will take all their members." So the thing that is playing now is part of the thing that is supposed to, because they have been saying that Prime Minister has been sponsoring people. So it's time for them to bring the evidence. Then this should be like the last case of the whole thing. If they can't prove anything, let me tell you one thing. After this case, Abato very well, because this time around, I want to take you to court again because they have been waiting for you. Who told you that Finland are what they will gain from Biafra if Biafra start to work today? They have a lot, because everything, it seems like everything, they will gain everything, because also Obatobie, it stays there, it knows them, and we're going to have like a very, very good relationship with them. So, but for them not to put themselves in crossfire that they supported someone that is dislodging or actually causing problem in Nigerian government and this and that. So I think what they are doing now is what they should do. And the difference between the government of Nigeria and the government of Finland is that while you they compromised them. So I think from my own opinion, because I think that anybody that stays or resides in Finland can actually go maybe carry placard or something, just say this and that. But from any reason why people should enter plane or train because they want to go and protest. Imagine all it is, this guy belong. Finland, the come today and come tomorrow. And then, but they gave these people a long time, like months, for them to whatever they have to bring. Then otherwise the case is done. So, but for the protest, whoever that put it, probably they just want to, because of the guy but they're not bringing anything. So this is just like a trap. And watch it, protest. They're just looking for something to be relevant. That's all. That's what I think.
My brother, Etona village.
Not really. Something like that. Why?
Okay. I can make my fan a bomb bubble. I can make my fan a bomb bubble. Image apple that never back one hour, but not a chaff, black on anonymia. Image apple always and move back one hour, but I was a. But
kind of unbelievable.
Thank you. I go to this way. Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you. Jesus, Ike Jesus. Please. Hello? Hello, can we use 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, please? Just go straight to the point. Thank you. Hello? Okay, good evening. Good evening to you.